How to log in to HSBC Expat Account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll learn how you can get logged into your HSBC Expat Account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application in your PC and at the top search bar, type in HSBC Expat Login. As you do so, you will see its official website under HSBC Expat that says log on. Click open that link. Then you will get landed onto this kind of interface. Now under please enter your username, type in your username. In case you would like to remember your username for this site, check the box that says remember me. Once you do all that, click on to continue. Then at the next page, you will be required to enter your password. Once you do all that, click on to sign in, and if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your HSBC Expat account. In case you don't have an account, here you can click on to not register for online banking and create yourself an account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.